Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on trip notification on Kayak application. So how to turn on trip notification on Kayak application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Kayak app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Kayak app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap Notifications. Tap Push Notifications. And tap Trip Notification. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on trip notification on Kayak app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.